Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a playlist in the Musi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the search for music button, and here just search for any artist that you want to listen to, and then if you found a track, just click on the plus sign next to it, and then click on the create new playlist, and here you can name the playlist. And then just click on the create button, and as you can see, the playlist is done, and now you can start adding music to that. So just click on the plus sign and then click on the playlist, and then it will add it there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.